We've tried this a few times. Today is officially opening day for Snake River Expedition. Let's go check that out. Here we go. Opening day. So for those wondering, it is May 30th and opening day. Can't wait.
What do you have there? All but you all can call me Eli. Now, I know you already heard today's adventure wasn't going to be quite what you expected, so I gotta warn you. There might be outlaws, there might be gunplay, and if you're real unlucky, you'll run into the Basilisk, king of all serpents. That's a giant snake. But regardless, we gotta get these goods on down the river off the record, so let me show you what we're working with here. We are here. We're going to take these special breaks all the way down to Jones Landing, which is here on the outskirts of Seville. Now that you know where we're going, let's get you acquainted with what we're working with. Crack open some of these crates here. Tell me what you find inside. Don't be shy. Get some brave adventure seekers out here. All right. What you got in there? Sorry about that, y'all. I had to check to make sure you weren't none of them outlaws. Any outlaw worth a grain of rice would have known that snakes was in there from a mile away. Now that I know I can trust you, feast your eyes on what we're really working with here. This is Trapper Man's Gold. I'm going to need to select two of you that I think are very trustworthy here, so let me see if I can get a volunteer now. Anybody? Right here? Okay, come on down. Who'd you come with? Your family here? Can I have one of the parents come on down as well? Please, thank you very much. All right, now you hold on to this. And you hold on to this. Now turn around and face your friend for possibly the last time here. Don't lose sight of these, because if you do, Trapper Dan will feed all of us to the Basilisk. And if anyone asks, we're all just normal people on a boat ride, you hear? All right, sounds good. I'm going to hand you all off to the deckhand, with you two going out first. Everyone else will go out to be able to watch your backs. Now, excuse me here.
I have a question. About that. He has a penny, but it's like from 1980. Are you from the future?
They might be. They got baby sticks and people that can speak to snakes. They don't carry stuff.
Favorite part of the ride?
When all the bandits were shooting at us, it was crazy.
Yeah, there was a lot of surprises on that ride. That was fun. What about you?
How much theming they put into it.
Yeah, it was a ton of theming. All right. So now that we've had a few hours to kind of think about it, what did you guys think of Snake River Expedition today?
Amazing!
Yeah, it was pretty cool. What did you guys think? You guys have ridden rides like the Jungle Cruise before. You've been to Disney, been to places like Busch Gardens and whatnot. What did you think from a theming aspect? How do you think they did?
Busch Gardens level. Busch Gardens level.
At least.
Next level. At least, like, they're very close to Disney.
Yeah.
But Disney doesn't.
Disney does do a little bit more. But it didn't necessarily feel like Disney. But at the same time, it didn't feel like Cedar Point. It definitely felt like something new.
Yeah.
Yeah? So what did you guys think of the actual ride?
It was actually pretty cool because, like, whatever you say, the story all changes. Because
Yeah.
they had to adapt to everything that we said.
They did. The cast, well, they're not cast members, but the ride operators are putting on a show the entire time. So
And they have to adapt because you could say something and the whole time they could be like, please do something.
yeah, we had a kid who said he could talk to snakes on our boat, and they kept putting that into the storyline because there's may or may not be some snakes along Snake River Expedition.
And I also had a penny because he said, anybody got a penny, pull out a penny. So, well, pull out the oldest penny. So I grabbed a 1977-year-old penny.
And they said it was from the future. They said it was
Yeah.
60 years from the future.
And they were like, wait, are you from the future?
Yeah.
Huh. And then after, while we were actually on the boat ride, they were like, you people are weird.
Yeah. They did. They kept going back and forth. So there's a few surprises along the ride that we'll save for when you ride the ride. We didn't record the actual ride experience just because Cedar Point is very vocal about not recording on the ride experience. However, we did see people filming, so you might be able to find that ride from a different channel. But with that said, I think it's a ride that you could do multiple times, and if you get a boat full of people that are engaging with the actors and with the people that are, you know, doing the ride, I think you're going to get a really good experience and a different experience each and every time that you go, because there were not only animatronics, not only a person on the boat talking to you, the captain talks to you as well, but then we saw some real people out amongst the animatronics as well, and that was a lot of fun. Okay, and last question for you guys before we wrap the video up. What do you guys think? Would this be something that you would want to do each time you come to the park?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you think Cedar Point should add more experiences like this
Yes.
throughout the park? Yeah, it's a nice break from all the thrills of the coasters, taking a break and, you know, just taking wouldn't even call it a relaxing boat ride, but just taking some time to enjoy a show while on a ride and really making a full experience out of an attraction.
Yes, and I think that they should like add more rides like that, and they don't even have to be boats. It could be like a train.
Yeah, or like a dark ride or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so comment down below. What are you guys' thoughts? Should Cedar Point add more rides like Snake River Expedition? Say overall, I would say this is a great ride. It's on par with, you know, something like a Jungle Cruise if you've ever been on that at Disney World or Disneyland. Theming was top notch for Cedar Point. They definitely have stepped up their game both in the shop and on the ride. It's definitely worth our time. And with that, we want to thank you for joining us on this, and come out and give this ride a try and tell us how you thought it was. Comment down below.